Hi, I'm Anjana S Kumar, now pursuing ACCA at the Indian Institute of Commerce, Lakshya. I'm a commerce student at brain and a dancer at heart. Girls' education isn't about securing a prospective groom. It is about her dreams and her aspirations. Here, I can see students turning into chartered accountants at an age as early as 21. They're turning into CEOs and CFOs and financial heads of many multinational corporates before they hit 30. Doesn't that change everything? Isn't it amazing? That is exactly why I choose commerce. At heart, I'm a dancer. I've always felt chartered accountancy is more like dancing. It appears to be complex from outside, but with the right coaching and learning environment, you can master it. Well, only if you take a strong decision that's driven by your passion. Once you get the knack, you just forget yourself in the steps. Everything else follows.